Hi, welcome to Val's Keto Life. So today I was going to make a couple things that just help me stick to the keto. Most of you know that I kind of work long hours, so when I come home and I need to cook and get something on my table. But I also live stream on my other channel, right? And I do stuff like that. So a lot of times I don't even have time for that. So this is what I made today. So these are pepperoni. In the middle they have goat cheese that has, oh look at that, beautiful. So this is just what it ends up being. Just pepperoni wrapped around a little bit of goat cheese that has cucumber and chive. So I bought it already, cucumber and chive. I didn't do that myself. And so then I just wrapped it up with pepperoni, and I got a really nice pepperoni with no nitrates. Buy whichever kind you can afford, whatever kind is good for you. And any kind of soft cheese will work. I wanted to try it with the goat cheese because I wanted something a little bit different than a piece of provolone with prosciutto around it. I wanted to try something a little bit different. You can put these in any kind of container, take them with you, you have them during the day. It took me all of a couple seconds to make these. These were not hard. Then they go in my refrigerator for when I get hungry. It's that simple. So if you like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing. I put one up every Wednesday. Thursday at the latest, depending on how my day goes. And join me. Just simple things we can do to make our life a little bit easier when we're doing keto. Okay, guys, I love you. You know it. I'll see you soon. Bye.